What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to get your site verified on Pinterest using WordPress and all-in-one SEO plugin for free into a simple, fast and very effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After, on your browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin, okay? Enter with credentials, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, into Search Plugins, click All-in-One SEO and click on Install Now. Do the plugin setup as much as you can, okay? Complete all the information. Then all you have to do is navigate to the plugin, okay? Review the left sidebar of menus on the WordPress dashboard once again, hover mouse over All-in-One SEO and go to General Settings. Once on General Settings, you can see this arrow called General Settings with the under arrow. Click on it and you have Webmaster Tools. Click on it. Now we're going to be able to see all the tools that you can connect our site with. And right here we have Pinterest Site Verification. Click on it. Now all we have to do is copy the Pinterest verification code. How to get it? Go to your Pinterest account, review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to your profile picture, there is a plus called Account and More Options. Scroll down and click on Settings. Once on Settings, hit the button Claim External Accounts or Claims External Accounts. Click on it. Websites. Claim. Now you need to copy this HTML tag, okay? Copy that. Place the code on your WordPress website. Save change. Make sure that you have saved the change, okay? Then continue. Then all you have to do is enter with the website URL. In my case, gonna be this one. And all you have to do is click on Verify. Connected, and you are good to go. This is your website. Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!